Well, welcome back. It's been a little while since I've done anything to the ukulele, and you can tell not much has been done to the ukulele. I wound up getting the flu for a little while and had to wait for some funds and such. Went to Home Depot. Practically, I should ask Rust-Oleum to sponsor me. All Rust-Oleum. I got myself some primer. I watched a few videos on how to do this, so I've got myself some primer. I'm going to prime up the body of the instrument. We've decided to go with this pretty blue paint. It's Gloss Deep Blue. Let's see, somewhere on here. There we go. That's the product number, Gloss Deep Blue. That's what we're going to try to put on this. I got two of them. I don't know how many I'll need. I got two clears also, gloss clear, and then while I was there I also completed my sandpaper collection. As you remember, I have a 80 grit to 400 grit in multiple types of sheets, full sheets. All I could find at my Home Depot were half sheets of the wet dry, the wet sandpaper. So I picked myself up 800, 1000, 1500, and 2000. And the hope for that is to allow this to shine when it does. So that's really where we're at. It's really windy outside right now, so there'll be no painting today. And hopefully I can start doing this. This will be quite a few days of process, but neat little thing. If you haven't seen this one in a while, Home Depot carried the Rust-Oleum Comfort Grip. Yeah, Rust-Oleum Comfort Grip. And here we have interesting thing. The thing I liked about it was that it has 2-finger pull. I've had little grips before where they're 1-finger pull and you sit there and spray, 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 spray. You wind up with a tired finger. Switch fingers, switch fingers. And so it wound up looking really easy to put it on. Of course, the nice thing about the Rust-Oleum caps, they're easy to take off. Shake it up, point it your direction, and then take this, give these two little knobs a little squeeze, and clamp it right into place. Bam. It's ready. And then squeeze, squeeze, spray, spray, and away you go. And these, of course, are the spray nozzles that'll spray in the old direction. Don't spray the camera. That would suck. All right. So, so this will be a few days of work, but that's really where I'm at. Haven't made a lot of progress on the ukulele, but hopefully over the next couple of weeks we'll make some progress and get it done. Maybe I'll get a chance to make a few little videos of what I'm doing. Alrighty, thanks for watching.